friend, Monsieur Marius. I don't feel any pain. A little fall of rain can hardly hurt you now. I'm here. That's all I need to know. And you will
stay with you
safe.
till you are
And you will keep me close. And rain will make the
flowers grow.
She is the first to fall, the first of us to fall upon this barricade.
Her name was Eponine. Her life was cold and dark, yet she was unafraid. We fight here in her name.